which way does it go? Because I know how to do this. I just go. Let me call my dad. Stop!
Okay, let me try.
Wait, are you recording this?
Yeah,
Oh my gosh, don't put it on YouTube.
I am. This is such a YouTube moment. Nobody can open. Okay, just ask some guy. Hello, who can help us here?
Somebody nice, can you help us?
Ask,
Asian?
yeah, an Asian or a cute guy, okay? Don't get a Mexican
No, I don't
fat
want to
guy.
be embarrassed. I need a guy that's like right there. Go ask that guy.
No, he's ugly. Ask the guy in the car.
Oh, we don't want to open this.
Yes, we can. Don't call your dad.
Let me
Don't
call
call.
my
No, no, no,
dad.
no, no, no.
I'll call my sister.
No, no. Hold on, we have to find someone.
Okay, Karen, you're good at that, right?
Yeah,
No.
I'm just gonna scream at them.
No, wait, let me call my dad. Seriously.
Don't call your dad.
man.
Seriously. We're women. We can do this. We don't need men.
Oh, yeah, we're looking for one.
Shut up. We're not looking for a man.
Just remove slowly. How the hell do you remove it?
Did she do it?
No?
Wow, she doesn't even.
Go
Wow.
and ask someone, man. Oh, wait, look it. It's open.
I'm like halfway out of the car.
It's opening. Look.
Is it?
Oh, my God.
Did you open it?
No.
Crap.
I did.
Joey, we don't need a man. That's so awesome.
Which one? Regular. Did you pay for it? Yeah. Okay. Lift this up. Hold on. Wait, hold on. Lift it up. How? How do you lift this up?
Are you supposed to?
It doesn't want to work now.
Because you're supposed to lift something up.
You picked regular,
Oh.
right?
Are you sure you said the correct pump number and stuff?
Yes. Dude, it's push start. Oh, right there. Remove nothing. Fueling. It's not fueling.
Oh,
This is awesome. I feel all grown up.
You guys can go
I
get
actually
married
did
now.
It without my dad telling me what to do. That was like 4 years ago when he actually taught me that. $10. How many? 13. Don't. I should tell my mom that like I helped Debbie and stuff, and we're like all grown up. Karen. Keep pressing. I know. I'm holding it. Stop yelling. No, someone has to close this.
Look for a cute guy.
I need a bathroom now.
Go to the gas station. Okay, stop them. They look creepy.
I hate when it goes slow.
Awkward
Remember,
silence.
Stop engine. No smoking. Okay, be careful.
Debbie. So Debbie, how's your project going?
Fine, perfect. Do I know?
Which way did it go? This way.
I don't know.
It goes this way now.
Wait, let me try to put it. Let me try to put it. My hand is like. Or the other way. Either way.
One way or the
Oh
other.
wait, what? It was going in. Stupid shit.
Oh, I mean,
beep. It's going in. Oh shit.
Beep.
Oh fuck.
Debbie, stop cursing. I can't do that many feet. Yay!
Yay! Oh, it has to make that noise.
Why?
I have to open it.
Why, Debbie?
It has to make that funny noise.
Didn't it make that funny noise?
That funny noise?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Quack.
It makes it like, I heard that guy, he's like, that was his car.
That was his car.
That was the car.
Wow, I'm recording for 4 minutes, 35,
The
30.
longest time you've ever recorded, right?
Yeah.
Now are we going to Walgreens to get the copies?
Oh yeah, Walgreens.
Shit, where are my keys?
Somewhere in Joanna's seat, I think I saw some keys there.
Sorry, I said them.
Oh, okay.